Hiya, DB here. Right, so I'm going back to Europe in a couple of weeks. I thought I'd just check on my puncture repair kit. It's looking a bit sorry for it, and it's for itself. Sorry for itself. If you look at that, I've tested it out through that, and it still goes on and works. My glue's obviously been open at some point, but I'll check that, make sure it's all right. My glue sticks, everything that I need. I've added these two into my repair kit. Okay, that's the most important bit of kit for it to go on there, into there, so my hands don't freeze. So this is the difference between new and old. So I'm going to be taking another 3, including the 3 what's in there, because it ain't going to blow the tyre up otherwise.